I'm at Rousseau Lake College today, and I gotta say, I'm speaking to students and staff, but I'm really taken back by the beauty of this area, Muskoka area. If you look in the background, the lakes, the trees. I'm excited for the day. Let's go. I'm doing 4 talks today, and when I coach some of my clients, they get overwhelmed at doing 1 talk. And the reason why 4 talks is going to work today is because I'm not memorizing or remembering 4 separate talks. I build my speeches in modules, so I can take stories from one speech that I'm going to do with another. So I have a story that I'm going to tell to my teachers today that I'll also tell to my students. So I'm not really building 4 talks. And just think about that when you're writing your speeches. If you want to add workshops, you don't have to always create multiple new talks. So let's go.